Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to North Battleford, a city in west central Saskatchewan, set along the north bank of the North Saskatchewan River. With a population of around 14,000 people, North Battleford forms part of a larger urban area with its neighbor across the river, the town of Battleford. Together, they create a regional hub that blends history, agriculture, and everyday prairie life. This is a place where the wide skies feel endless, and the pace of life reflects the rhythms of the surrounding land. The story of North Battleford is closely tied to the older community of Battleford, which was established in the late 1800s as a Northwest Mounted Police post.
Thank you very much.
The original settlement became an important administrative and trading center during a time when Canada was expanding westward. North Battleford itself began to grow later, particularly after the arrival of the railway in the early 1900s, which helped shift development to the north side of the river. The rail connection brought settlers, businesses, and new opportunities, shaping the modern city that stands here today. One of the most significant periods in the area's history came during the Northwest Resistance of 1885. Battleford, just across the river, became a focal point during the conflict involving Métis forces, First Nations groups, and the Canadian government. Residents of the area sought refuge within the fortified police barracks during the unrest. While North Battleford itself had not yet fully developed at that time, the events left a lasting imprint on the region's identity and are still remembered today as a defining chapter in Western Canadian history. As the 20th century progressed, North Battleford grew steadily as a service center for the surrounding agricultural communities. The fertile farmland of the prairies made farming a central part of the local economy, with crops like wheat, canola, and barley playing a major role. The city became a place where farmers could access supplies, sell their products, and connect with the broader market. This agricultural foundation remains an important part of life here, even as the economy has diversified over time. Today, North Battleford offers a mix of small city convenience and access to natural beauty. The North Saskatchewan River continues to shape the landscape, providing scenic views and opportunities for outdoor activities. Parks and trails along the riverbank give both residents and visitors a chance to enjoy the open space, whether it's walking, cycling, or simply taking in the surroundings. The river valley, with its gentle slopes and greenery, creates a contrast to the flat prairie that stretches beyond the city. Cultural life in North Battleford reflects the diversity of the region. Indigenous heritage plays a significant role, with nearby First Nations communities contributing to the area's traditions and identity. Events, art, and storytelling help keep these connections strong. At the same time, the city hosts local festivals, sports events, and community gatherings that bring people together throughout the year. North Battleford is also known for its recreational opportunities. The nearby Jackfish Lake and other surrounding lakes are popular destinations, especially in the warmer months. Fishing, boating, and camping are common activities that draw people from across the region. In winter, the landscape transforms, and residents embrace the colder season with snowmobiling, skating, and other outdoor pursuits. The changing seasons are a defining feature of life here, each bringing its own character and pace. Like many prairie communities, North Battleford has faced its share of challenges over the years, including economic shifts and population changes. However, it has continued to adapt, maintaining its role as a center for trade, services, and community life. Efforts to revitalize parts of the city and support local businesses show a commitment to growth while preserving its character. For visitors, North Battleford offers a chance to experience a quieter side of Saskatchewan, where history is never far away and the landscape invites you to slow down and take it in. Whether you are exploring the river valley, learning about the past, or simply passing through, the city provides a glimpse into the heart of the Canadian prairies. Thanks for watching!